Hello everyone. We're going to try to do a video on how to use the sampling distribution for a sample proportion. So let's make up a little example here. Let's suppose that a survey was given to 123 people and that, let's say something like 34 were in favor of a particular bill. Find the mean and the standard deviation for the sampling distribution of the sample proportion. Okay, from the reading, we should have seen that the central limit theorem for proportions says that if P is the probability of success and Q is the probability of failure, the sampling distribution for samples of size n is approximately normal with a mean of P and a standard deviation of PQ, radical PQ over n. So they have a worked out example down here also, but our example actually gave us the numbers. So our mean would be the sample proportion. And the sample proportion is the sample proportion, which is 34 out of 123. Now 34 over 123 can be calculated as, calculator, 34 divided by 123, giving me 0.2764 approximately, 0.2764. And so that's the simple answer to the mean. That's the mean of the sampling distribution. Our standard deviation is square root of P times Q over N. So that would be the square root of a fraction formed by taking 0.2764, which is the probability of success as we found above, times Q, which is the probability of failure, and that would be 1 minus 0.2764 over the size of the sample. And since it was given to 123 people, that's 123. Equals, let's bring our calculator up again. Okay, let's see if I can do this monster. We need to take, whoops, let's clear. And take the square root of the quantity 0.2764 times 1 minus 0.2764 divided by 123. That's not right. Okay, let me bring out a better calculator. Clear. We need to do the square root of 0.2764 times 1 minus 0.2764, and that quantity needs to be divided by the sample size, which was 123. So clearing out of there, looks like we get an answer of 0.403, 0.0403. So 0.0403. And that's our answer. The mean is 0.2764, found by calculating the proportion of 34 successes out of 123 total, And then the standard deviation is found by taking the probability of success multiplied by the probability of failure, which would be 1 minus to get a total of 100%, divided by the quantity 123. Hope this helps.